Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about basic formatting in Google Sheets. First thing that you're going to want to do is go to your Google Drive, right click anywhere on the screen, and you'll see there the Google Sheets. Click on it, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is change the title of your sheet. So I've just decided to call this basic formatting. Go ahead and type in whatever it is that you want to title your sheet. And we are going to create a basic table. For this example, I'm going to create a table with names, the joining date of a gym, for example, and the price that each member paid. And here we'll fill in all the join dates. And in this column, we're going to fill in the prices that each member has paid. And here we can format this column for it to be currency. And you could choose any currency that you may need. Now we're going to highlight all of the columns and format, and we can choose to color them alternatively. You can use alternating colors. You can choose for the header, the footer, and you could play around with this until you get something that is to your desire. Once you're satisfied, click on Done, and here your table is already in a much more formatted way. We can also change the font size right here, right between each of the columns, in between the columns where the lines are, and then we can see an arrow pops up, and when you double click on it, you'll notice that the columns are adjusted automatically. The next thing I'll show you is how to adjust borders and format the borders as well. So you'll be highlighting the entire chart that you just created, and on the top middle you can see the borders, and you're going to choose the outer border first, and you can choose the color and the thickness of the borders, and go ahead and choose whatever color is most suitable for you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe. See you next time.